From the smallest sea pickle
to the largest bat ray.
the island of Catalina is full of rich ocean life.
During our time here, we witnessed many different ecosystems, including the soft-bottom subtitles, pelagic zones, the kelp forest, and subtidal reefs.
The first ecosystem we encountered was the soft-bottom subtidal. We took our first snorkel here, where we came across many different organisms, such as our first crazy creature, the Garibaldi.
The Garibaldi, is a fish we spotted quite a lot on our snorkels, mostly due to their bright orange scales and extremely high population since they're the California state fish. The Garibaldi is commonly found in rocky reefs and over rocky sea bottoms at depths less than 98 feet. The Garibaldi's main predators are large fish, seals, and sea lions.
Garibaldis feed mostly on invertebrates that they have plucked from rocks around the ecosystem. Garibaldis are very territorial creatures who will go to the extent of attacking organisms much larger than itself if it threatens its nest site. Their bright orange scales are an adaptation that acts as a warning to predators to back off.
We also spotted another crazy creature on our snorkels throughout the soft-bottom subtitle, the round ray.
The round stingray, also known by its scientific name, is commonly found in the North Pacific Ocean in soft-bottom habitats made from materials such as soft sand or mud. They are daytime foragers and tend to consume invertebrates and sometimes small fish. The round ray's main predators are elephant seals and larger fish such as sharks or giant sea bass.
Round rays are commonly colored in grays and browns, with some carrying yellow spots in their back. A round ray's tail spine is periodically shed, with the spine shedding cycle being over in December. Round rays have adapted to camouflage by using their earthy colors and flat bodies to blend in with the ocean floor.
The next ecosystem we traversed was the Pelagic Zone. We kayaked on top of this zone and was able to view many unique organisms. For instance, the salp.
A salp is a planktonic tunicate that is commonly found floating around the ocean's surface. They are commonly clear and gelatinous and are able to link together to create long chains. Salps can move by contracting itself and pumping water, creating a sort of basic jet propulsion.
Salps feed on phytoplankton by filtering water through its gelatinous body and utilizing its internal feeding filters. Salps are consumed by many different marine organisms, such as fish, turtles, birds, and shellfish. Salps are able to adapt to offshore environments as long as there is phytoplankton available.
Another creature we encountered was the harbor seal, or harbor seals are found along the coastlines of the northern hemisphere and normally live in harbors and bays. These seals can travel up to 50 kilometers in search of rich feeding grounds where they feed on mostly fish and invertebrates. The harbor seal's main predator is the white shark, followed by killer whales.
The coat of a harbor seal can be brown, white, tan, or gray. The harbor seal has distinct V-shaped nostrils and lacks pinnas, which are ear flaps. Harbor seals have blubber under their skin to maintain a healthy body temperature, adapting to the cool coastal waters they live in, and are naturally torpedo-shaped, allowing them to glide through the water with ease.
The final ecosystem we viewed in Catalina was the kelp forest and subtidal reef. This ecosystem is abundant with life, which we gladly viewed while snorkeling through it. The first organism we observed in this habitat was the thriving kelp.
Kelp, also known scientifically as, is the most lively in waters containing rich nutrients and cool temperatures between 5 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. This organism is an essential part of the ecosystem because it provides food and shelter for thousands of different marine species, including invertebrates, fish, and marine mammals. Kelp is also a producer, therefore it photosynthesizes in order to gain its nutrients.
Kelp is a unique organism in its ability to grow up to 2 feet a day. It is one of the fastest growing plants in the world. The kelp's gas bladder can help it adapt quickly, anchoring itself to any substrate of the ocean. Finally, kelp can be found in ice cream, shampoo, and dog food.
Lastly, the final creature we saw while exploring the subtidal zone was the spiny starfish.
The spiny starfish, scientifically known as are unique invertebrates that have regenerative bodies, giving themselves the ability to regrow new body parts. A starfish diet includes barnacles, snails, sea urchins, clams, and mussels, and their predators include sharks, manta rays, and Alaskan king crab.
Starfish are easily identifiable by their star-shaped and symmetrical bodies. As mentioned before, one of their unique qualities and adaptations is the regenerative abilities that they have.
This has been That's a Lot of Water
By Paige Douglas
and Sonoma Frederick. Thank you for listening to our TED Talk.
Tonight, go behind my head in a cup pie, African lamb pie. I wanna know, Chahili Mountain, who loaded of us mixed brandy, so don't shrimp me now. Do I shrimp you come and hurry back up by, I make a love stelling with fish a shell, Ragataya, Sonic Lama, drama fish, and an only cup, Pachibara, money bacala. I wanna open, shell trapping me. Bright in sunshine, glare, just put the flying, go at the comments to frown down. Tore out the shadow pie, I don't wanna hang it up a sunny morning. Dry shrimp me now, honey but the cooper, honey but so, dry shrimp me now, ink a fish and grab a cooper. Jellyfish so, dry shrimp me grab a honey but cooper, dry shrimp me less a honey but cooper, don't grab a shop and so. Na 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 na.